Okay, today we'll be replacing this old worn out wiper blade on this 2011 Nissan Cube, and we'll be replacing it with this new trickle beam style wiper blade. So let's get started. Okay, for this job you'll need a 10mm wrench, or in this case I'm using a 1/4 inch drive 10mm socket. Yep, because behind this piece of plastic is a 10mm nut. If your wiper arm doesn't come off like this one, just pull on the wiper arm and give the threaded shaft a couple of taps with a hammer. Should pop right off. Okay, so now let's put on the new wiper blade. Well, here's the old wiper blade. You can tell it pretty much had it. And you really can't replace just a wiper blade without taking this whole arm off, because there isn't enough room to take this off. So you have to take the whole arm off, and what you do is after you get this off like this, you can bring it indoors. It'd be easier because it's cold out there today. It's like 20 degrees out there. Take this and just pull on it, and it just comes off just like that. At least it does on this one. Yours might be different, but on this car it just comes off just like that. And they give you these inserts which you can match up. This one, I was looking at them, and this one fits the best, but you can tell like this one here doesn't fit, and this one don't fit. So what you do is you put this, match them, you can match it up like this, the whole thing, put it in, and then you just got to press on it. There, it goes right in. And then take your new wiper blade, and it's got an arrow here, so, and you match up these guys with the notches on here. So match them up like that, and all you gotta do is push on this thing. You'll hear it click. Push on it up, see that? You hear it click. And if you have to take this off, you just lift up on this part a little bit and just pull it off. Just like this. I'll show you. See? Put it back on. Goes into those little notches, and then you push up on it. That's it. They got a little protective sleeve here. Take that right off. And that's it. That's all there is to putting it on this wiper arm. As you can see, the wiper arm just has a plain round hole and not slotted. So when putting the wiper arm back on, try to get it in the same position that it was in. Once tightened, the nut will keep it in the same position. When tightening the nut, I like to grab the ratchet by the top and then just tighten it with a twist of my wrist. Just snug it up. If I find a torque spec for this nut, you'll see it on the screen. Then just pop the plastic piece back on. And this job is done. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.